This is the BW Space. BW Space is the newest and most improved underwater drone from UCAN Robot. From the sleek chassis to the incredible technology inside it, it has the ability to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second and take still photos at 12 megapixels with low latency. With 7 hours of total dive time, 100-meter dive depth, and a max speed of 2 meters per second, you can go farther, faster. With state-of-the-art active tracking, it can follow your subject automatically. And with dual powerful LED lights, you'll have no problem navigating in the darkest of conditions. Live sharing makes it a breeze to share with your friends. With the click of a button, the whole world can tune in to your adventure. And with a BW Space in your hands, it will feel like anything is possible.
Hey, I'm David.
And I'm Eric.
And 3 years ago, we came to you, to Kickstarter, and told you about our dream to make a low-cost underwater robot.
We wanted to make underwater exploration accessible to everybody.
A lot has happened in the past 3 years. We've shipped thousands of these robots to 50 countries, every continent. And most importantly, we've built this community of people who are obsessed with pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
So for the last 3 years, we've been working on how to make underwater exploration tools the right way. And what we've come up with is something we are extremely excited to announce.
This is the Trident.
At OpenROV, we believe that exploration is not just about gathering data, but also about experiencing new worlds in a new way. We've designed Trident to be extremely fun to fly.
Most ROVs, they move up and down slowly. They go left and right, forward and reverse. Trident is nothing like that. It flies like an airplane. It speeds along, you can bank, you can dive. It's fun to fly. It goes fast when you want it to, but it can slow down and be precise when you have something you want to inspect.
Getting video from underwater has always been a challenge because radio waves don't travel through water. So we've developed a very lightweight, neutrally buoyant tether, which communicates the video feed from the ROV up to the surface. That attaches to a wireless buoy, which allows you to control the ROV from any Wi-Fi connected device.
Like a tablet, a laptop, or even a VR device like an Oculus Rift or a Google Cardboard. We wanted an ROV that could go to places that no ROV had been before. So we designed it to be ultra portable, whether you're hiking to high alpine lakes or you're bringing this as carry-on luggage. It goes wherever you go.
Most ROVs are designed to look in specific places where you already know where the target is, but we've realized that a lot of people want to explore with an ROV. We've designed Trident to be extremely hydrodynamic and excellent at going in long, straight lines. This allows you to do lawnmower patterns, being able to broadly explore a place that you've never seen before and find out what's there.
We've seen community members take this model and create 3D visualizations of the seafloor.
Using technologies like photogrammetry and structure from motion, we hope that we can help create maps of the underwater world that will allow us to see it in a completely new light.
I joined this project when it was the initial Kickstarter, and I did it because it was going to be a chance to take this hardware, these robots, and I was going to be able to use my software skills to actually program them and have them do stuff underwater. I've been using that to build a platform now that lets other software geeks like myself contribute and help programmers to find ways to control robots. We've made a plug-in architecture that allows you to add your own components, add new sensors, new technology to an ROV after it's already been developed and out in the field. The OpenROV software, it's bigger than any single ROV. It's opening the door to services and technologies that we're just now scratching the surface of. From mapping to autonomous computer control to imaging reefs and underwater shipwrecks in 3D. We're going to be able to send this data and utilize cloud computing, mesh networking, and all kinds of future technologies to make it available to everybody.
So whether you're a fisherman, a researcher, a recreational boater, or just someone who's curious about what's below the surface, this is the tool for you.
So here we are. We've spent the last 4 years developing underwater robots, and we've never been more excited about the project we have now.
To get to the next level, to bring Trident to life, we need your help. So check out the reward levels, let us know what you think, and together, let's build the future of underwater exploration.
Thank you.
Remember the old days when you saw a stunning view of the ocean and wondered, what would that look like from underwater? Now, you have Novatics Mito to see it for yourself. Before Novatics Mito, if you wanted to record images underwater, you needed a camera, a waterproof housing, and a heap of diving equipment to get into the water. But with Novatics Mito, underwater scenes reveal themselves at a click of a button. So here comes Navatics Mito, an underwater ROV that provides professional-level, stabilized 4K images. And all these crystal clear videos can be achieved without you even getting wet.
To be able to show you these beautiful scenes underwater, Navatics teams has been working really hard.
We first started to make ROV 5 years ago as our college project. Together with a team of passionate and talented engineers, we founded Navatics. And after 2 years of research and development, our first ROV, Navatics Mito, is ready for production.
Navatics Mito has the most advanced stabilization system, a crystal clear 4K camera, 4 specially designed powerful thrusters, and quick swappable batteries.
Stability is an essential component of achieving excellent underwater imaging. I'm really impressed to see how stable Mito is underwater.
Mito has helped improve my teaching experiences a lot. I can use it to monitor my students better and provide live feedback to them.
Using the latest stabilization algorithm, Navatics Mito will maintain stability for incredibly smooth footage, even in strong current or surge. And if for any reason it slips out of position, Navatics Mito will instantly correct itself. When employing the fully adjustable tilt lock, it can hold its tilting position effortlessly whilst moving freely in the water. The onboard camera can capture the mysterious beauty beneath the waves, recording it in either HD or 4K, and can also take 8-megapixel still photos. You will be in complete control of Navatics Mito as you discover the underwater world. Explore up to 40 meters from the surface through the easy-to-use wireless control, which has a 500-meter range to its waterproof communication buoy. And you can experience the view in real time through the Navatics app on your smartphone. At less than 15 inches and weighing less than 7 pounds, Navatics Mito fits comfortably in your beach bag or the average backpack, so you can capture that amazing underwater view from anywhere you travel. Navatics Mito's 80Wh LiPo battery offers up to a whole 4 hours of running time and can be swapped with spare batteries easily in just seconds. Use Navatics Mito's built-in color correction technology so you always get bright and colorful underwater images.
We need your help to bring our dream alive. The next technological hit is on your hand.
Pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
After 2 years of designing and prototyping, we're ready to introduce the Spry, a waterproof drone that floats like a boat, can briefly submerge underwater, then flip back to fly in the air at over 40 miles per hour. It's a combination of a racing quad and a photography drone with a robust waterproof body, and yes, the first ever waterproof remote control. The waterproof remote control has a built-in monitor that allows you to watch the live video stream and on-screen display information. The Spry can also send its video signal to several monitors simultaneously, so you can share your flying experience with your friends on the spot. The Spry's 4K camera tilts up and down to always point in the right direction during flight or while floating. This allows you to see what's underwater. Another cool feature is the expansion port that allows future accessories to be attached on the bottom and enhance the Spry's capabilities. You can turn the GPS on and off from the remote control to fly freestyle, or activate its advanced flight features like Follow Me, object orbit, and return to remote control location, so that if you're on a moving boat, the Spry will always come to where you are. If you're more into robotic flying, you can use the Spry's app to set up waypoints on the map and fly a designated path completely hands-free. The Spry is compact and comes with everything you need to fly the moment you get it: the carrying case, battery, remote, and charger.
We're also doing something that we don't think has ever been done before. We're releasing a series of videos bringing you inside of the factories that make some of the components for the Spry, and also show you the working conditions of these factories, and also learn how LiPo batteries are made, propellers are made, and how the whole manufacturing process works.
We've spent years in the design stage to push the limits and redefine the capabilities of drones in general. The only thing that's missing to make the Spry a reality at an affordable price is you. By supporting this project, you will be the first one to get your hands on the very first Spry. Check out the different reward levels and help the project go viral by sharing it with all your friends.